Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Rose and I am very excited. Though not really, I'm a bit sad, but before that, please like, subscribe, and yes, subscribe. I'm giving you some second to subscribe. Please do it. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been long, it's been forever. Oh Jesus, nimekula. It's been forever since I uploaded a video, and actually this is why I'm sad, because I had a video I was supposed to upload like yesterday, but tell me why instead ya kuweka kwa draft delete. No, tell me why. Like I felt, and the way I had invested on that video, but I have a clip, one clip of to show you what it was all about. I'll install it hapo hivyo. So far so good. I have been so busy, like of late I've been so busy and I've not been consistent in posting, and I'm not gonna promise you that I'll upload oftenly, like nitakuwa na upload, but I will try, because I've been having a busy schedule, and napata hadi nakosa time ya kushoot, na ndo niko na content mingi, like I have a lot of content, but sasa time ya kushoot ndo sinanga, but I promise I'll try, and show me some love, and I'll appreciate it. So I'm going to install a clip here to show you what I was talking about in that video yenye sikuweza kuupload. Actually I've made a big purchase this month. Like April imeanza tu na baraka. I thank God. I finally have a fridge. I am so excited, guy. Like I'm feeling so blessed. Let me give you a story. Last year I moved, like late last year I moved in this house, and I was starting afresh. I was starting from scratch. I only had a bed and a cooking gas, like na gas ile to burner. I only had those, and I was starting afresh. And let me tell you, I've spent the best part of those months without a couch, and who is God? Oh, I finally own a couch so big, like, okay guys, you can't wait for a house tour, though I'm not planning to do it anytime soon, but because there are some things I'm still in the process of furnishing my house, and I can't wait to share the whole experience with you guys, because it's been a journey. I never thought it was going to be this hard, honestly. I thought it was going to be I'll cover ingekuwa too easy, but I think things have God's timing is always the best, and I thank him for this far, because kai nakwambia kuna hata ile month I'm like siezi hata jinunulia, na mshahara tu inaingia hivi iko ishaisha. Nashangaa, what's happening? Am I even okay? Ushaifika to that point, like you're not even, you have so many things to buy, mpaka unapata hujabuy ata. That was me. So in my previous video that I last uploaded, I think it was on Feb. Yes, that's when I was making a purchase of a blender. Okay, let me give you reviews of the blender. The blender so far so good. It's been working so nicely, and it has been servicing me. So I was doing unpacking of a blender and a iron box. Surprisingly, sijaitumia your iron box. Imagine, imeshitu hadi sijai test. I think I'll test it maybe in the course of the week. So, and that time nilikuwa nimejifinyililia kununua hizo vitu. Sijui, I don't know what. I think when you have so much in your bucket list, you fail to plan so well for anything. So me najipata, I have so much I need to do. I have just started from scratch. Then end month ndo hiyo inafika, you have bills to pay, you have the rent, like you have so much to do. Hadi unapata hujafanya hata moja. So what I've come to learn, it's when you want something, unafaa kujinyima, you sacrifice a lot of things to get that thing. You are ready to take risk for that thing, and you're ready to sacrifice a lot to achieve that thing. So in the last month I made was it last month? I've been in this house for like 5 months. This is the 6th, or I think the 5th, and so far so good. I've seen God's doing in my life. I want to thank God so much for everything He has done. Like, I bought a couch, I bought a TV stand, though sijanunua TV bado, and now I bought a fridge. Guy, like I have always wanted a fridge. Now I was even tempted to buy the small one juu hiyo time ndo mfuko ilikuwa inakubali ni buy the small one, but again ningebuy hiyo ndogo ingeni cost juu sasa, alafu tena nikibuy, you get me, ningebuy hiyo ndogo, I need to store so much, so ingeni cost sana, and I had to save and save and save and save for the big one, and finally I got it. It's a Vitron. Okay, you see it in a clip. I'll attach somewhere. So today I went to buy some stuff kidogo tu za kuweka kwa fridge. Isikaiwa bila kitu. Acha nikwambie mambo. So I went to buy some few stuffs that I'm going to show you, at least nipate content ya kushoot juu, like I felt so bad when I woke up and found out sikusave that video. I felt so bad. Sikuwa nimepangia ku restock my fridge, but I did. So I have some stuffs, some vitu kidogo tu hapa. Nimetoka kununua, so nimenunua greens za lunch. That's what I'll be having for lunch. Sijui wala these cupcakes Quickmart, like Quickmart ya kwetu. I now have these cupcakes, so I got them. It's 6 pieces. It's chocolate, I guess. I hope ziko tasty. They are going for 138 shillings, I guess. Yeah, na ziko karibu. Actually ni kazi expire. Lani date? nazirudisha. Date of manufacture. Like these cupcakes are going bad. I'll think about them. Hope ziko na hiyo ni date ya kunini. I'll see. So I bought some bananas. Each was going for 10 bob. I only got 3 because hadi hazikuwa planned. Nimepata na tu na mama mboga wangu akiuza, nikasema nichukue tu za kutengeneza smoothie. Yes, I got some bread. Currently I'm so obsessed with this bread. Like sijui, I don't know about you, but this bread ina slap. Ina give vibe yake. So I bought a Dettol, the 125 ml. Like Dettol mbona zikakuwa expensive hivyo. So this one was going for 380 indogo. And I wanted the big one, but sikuwa nimepangia 700. So sikuwa nimepangia. I bought beef smokies. Mtajuaje niko na fridge? Mtajuaje? So I got this smokies. Yes, for breakfast. Then here I got milk, utu tudogo. Juu sikunywangi chai sana. Utu tudogo I got 4 of them, 4 or 5. Yeah, got 5 of them. Then I bought this probiotic yogurt. The natural one, and I also got another one. Then I got the Lamea yogurt. This is my favorite brand. The pear caramel and the wild berries. Like these two are my favorites. So kama unataka kuni surprise na yogurt, the Lamea, either of those. Also got the vanilla pond probiotic, 2 of them. Like, hey. Then I got maziwa lala, the natural one. Yes, mtajuaje niko na fridge wa jameni. I bought Minute Maid, the mango. Guy ni tropical. I wanted the mango. Lakini hydro pia hii na slap. And the apple. These two. Imagine hizo vitu zote zimeenda 2000. Like economy inatupeleka wapi? Imagine 2000. So that was it. I want to arrange the fridge and at least haitakuwa empty. I'm so excited. I thank God for this far. So guys, I think this is the end of the video. I hope nataka kusema nini. Please subscribe to this channel. Like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend who knows a friend to come and give your girl a support. Aki muni motivate. Imagine ningekuwa na posts like ningekuwa consistent. Ningekuwa consistent, lakini motivatini. I just want to do this, and I won't promise, but I'll try to keep uploading every now and then. So guys, have a good day. I love you and God bless you. Bye.